Just landing on this video, I just want to let you know I am doing an overview of different courses that I've been through so you can make the best choice on which one best fits you. And I've already covered Legendary Marketer, I've covered Group Juice, and now I'm on to Passive Income Blueprint. So if you haven't watched the videos before this is part 3. So make sure you check out part 1 and 2 and make sure you save this video so you can come back to it. I want to be really honest with Passive Income Blueprints because I really love this course. But the main problem I had with this course was the cost. It is $5,500 to go through their coaching program, which I honestly don't believe that is a great place for a beginner to start because it is a lot of money and I found it very challenging to market. As a beginner, who wants to spend $5,500 when you really don't know what you're getting yourself into? They do have the 12-day masterclass. Again, I loved it. And that is where my focus was when I was marketing this course. The problem is for $297, I was only earning a 30% commission. So I was working really hard and I was showing up every day. I was creating my content every day, but to only earn I think it's like $103, $108 commission off of this, I knew very quickly that this wasn't going to make me 6 figures in a year. You are choosing to market the course. Remember, you are branding them. You're not branding you. They do encourage you to brand you, but at the beginning, you're branding them. And with this course, you will also use ClickFunnels and Aweber, which is going to run you $130 a month. I believe now they do have System.io education in there, so you can actually use System.io for free. So guys, again, save this video. Don't forget to look back at videos 1, which goes over Legendary, video 2, which goes over Group Juice. Make sure you save this video, follow me, because I'm going to teach you how to build a business online so you can ditch your 9 to 5.